Welcome back to the channel, Swallow This by TC Mahone Quick Bites. I'm Mr. Mann. Today we're going to be making banana pudding. Let's make it. Add 4 cups of milk. And it's best that all your ingredients are cold. So here we're going to be adding 4 cups of milk. Then we're going to add our sweet condensed milk. And then we're going to be adding our yellow packets, our vanilla, and our banana cream. Then we're going to whisk for about 2 minutes so it tastes smooth. Make sure you get all the lumps out. It looks about right. Now we're going to add your Cool Whip and we're going to fold this in. You're going to use the whole 8-ounce container. Or you can save some and put to the side. Like I said, we're going to fold this in. Till it's smooth, and this looks just about the right consistency. Now you're going to cover and put it into the refrigerator for about 5 minutes to let set. And while that's chilling, we're going to peel and slice out bananas. And after 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and start layering with wafers, bananas, and the pudding. If you guys want to see the homemade version of this banana pudding, put it in the comments. And while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and share it with somebody. Once again, I'm Mr. Mann with Swallow This by TC Mahone Quick Bites. There you have it, a quick and easy banana pudding, great for any occasion. Bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next video.